Before my topic, I would like to give a quick look about the main type of the online video in China. The first is also the number one online video website called Youku. And this is also the first type. We call the comprehensive video, online video website. The second actually it merged with the first Youku. We call the Youku and Tudou. Also, we call it comprehensive. Comprehensive means they just show all type of the videos, including the sitcom and the film and the TV show and animation, even some news. The second type is, the Soho, we call the portal website, also search engine. They also move on to the online video. It is Soho. The difference between the way they pay the content is focused on the news. And the third type is from we call the network, or also called the internet TV station. They're all from the state-owner TV station. This is all by CCTV, called CNTV. We call it the biggest one on the internet TV or network TV, online TV. So in nowadays, every broadcasting will go on to the online. Even we call CIRC, China Radio International. They also have the online video. And the main revenue of the online industry is from the advertising. It's the biggest one. I will tell you later. So this is a famous actor from the Hunan TV station. They broadcasting the video just like a sitcom or something like that. Then they check in the advertising. This is the main type I just talked about. So I want to like to share my main points. The scale of the and then the structure, and the last is the struggle to survive. And the scale of the industry, online video industry, in 2011 is 6.27 billion RMB, and grown nearly 99%. This is the data from the iResearch. You can the revenue the scale go very fast, but the rate is download. So in 2011, the scale of revenue was 325 million, being 63% for our total international user. And the annual growth rate was 14.6% in 2011, a slight download from the last year. So this is from the CIRC. I made a picture. You can see the total revenue will go faster, but the rate is download. And the penetration all of the internet user, it became bigger. In last year, it 63%. So next, I want to say a structure. The first is revenue structure. The advertising, as I mentioned, is the major, and being the 67% percent of total, and it declined from the 2010. And why the proportion of the copyright distribution revenue has been doubled? It goes really fast. It may be the next model of the revenue. This is the data also from the iResearch. You can see the advertising, the main change of the advertising is declined. Yeah, the petition, but the copyright they go higher and higher. Add to the structured advertising revenue, the comprehensive video website, that's actually Youku, account for the majority and wrote over 7% of the total in this year. And keep jumping to 73.1% in the first quarter of this year. Then the second is portal website, and then the network TV station. You can have a view of these tables. This is the comprehensive website such as Youku. Other behavior, sorry, I can translate into the English. I just gave a quick look, and this gender, and this is the male and the female. You can say a lot of focus on the TV sitcom, and they're film. They got a film, and it's about the career from the company and the career of female and university students. And this is the youth. So after the scale and the structure, I would like to discuss with you that's actually the online video industry is struggle. I think it is struggle to survive because several reasons. One is the competition goes fierce. The huge amount of online video copyright license, such as more than 1 million for each online TV exhibitor. So the second is more new player coming into the online broadcasting and station, station TV and searching engage. The third is the main player make a cooperation and ally to become stronger. The copyright ally from by TV the Coco and TV the Soho and Qi in that year, and more about Youku and Trudeau. And the second is sectional fighting. It's between the between the broadcasting and the industry and the telecom industry in the process of using triple player. And they fighting between the advertising and the fighting between the content, the content, especially the sitcom. Even we can see the sitcom from the TV and also on the online TV, and also on Zoom. And the second is fighting among several department government and my colleague Mosen. There were 5 administration, regulate the online TV industry. That's we call the software and the international information and the cultural information and the Ministry of Industry. And the General Ministry of Press and the Public is also the Department of Culture. And the last one is the balance between the state owner and the private person. The government, insist that the government, a state owner should be dominated the market, while in fact the top 10 the firm are not. They're private. So the interesting example is SAFA gave no license of network TV to any of the non-state owner online TV firm. Now they just give this one, as Professor Zhou had mentioned, I just pass it. So this might conclude and also discard. First, online video industry is growing, but not strong enough to survive. And the second is, I think the copyright revenue may lead to the transition of the structure of revenue. And the third is the real audience prefer a multi-platform. That's it. They also say watch TV on the TV online, and the consequence is the multi-devices. And the last one, I think the most important, the principle of regulation lead to reconsideration. That it focus on the efficiency and offend it all instead of the identity reform. This is the question. Thank you. Thank you all your time.